Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix creator search insight and not showing on TikTok. So if TikTok's creator search insight feature isn't showing or working, it can be due to account restrictions, app issues, or server problems. This is how you can troubleshoot and fix the problem. First, you need to confirm the eligibility for Creator Search Insight because the feature is typically available for TikTok business account or creator accounts. So to access it, you need to check your account type. You can go to your profile, tap on the three lines, settings and privacy, and go to account. And here you need to ensure that your account is set to business or creator. As you guys can see, I only have personal account. So if it's still not business or creator, you can just switch to a business account by click on this switch to business account. And the second one that you need to make sure, you need to update your TikTok application. You can just go to the Google Play Store or App Store, and here click on search, and then just search for TikTok. And here you can just check for available updates. Here you can see I have update on my TikTok, so install the latest version to ensure that you have all current features and bug fixes. And the next step that you can do is check the internet connection. So ensure you have a stable internet connection. You can also try to switch between mobile data and Wi-Fi to see if the issue resolves. And the next step that you can do is clear the TikTok cache. You can directly clear the cache on the TikTok app by going to your profile and go to the settings and privacy and just find the options to clear the cache. And the next step that you can do is access the creator search insight from TikTok Creator Marketplace. You can open the TikTok Creator Marketplace and log in. Use the same credential as your TikTok account and navigate the creator search. You can check if the insight appear under your account dashboard. You can also check TikTok server status because sometimes TikTok servers might be down or experiencing issues. So visit website like Down Detector to check TikTok's current status. You can also try to reinstall TikTok, but this is optional. You can uninstall the TikTok application from your phone and then reinstall it again from the Google Play Store. Log back into your account and check if the feature is now available. So if the issue is still there, you can also try to contact the TikTok support. You can just report the problem and submit a ticket describing your issue with Creator Search Insight. And that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks. Bye.